Is it time to buy or sell Ageagle Aerial Systems stock? In this video, we will explore Ageagle Aerial Systems in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and we are here now to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to overlook any significant updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 16th of October, 2024, our system has identified Ageagle Aerial Systems as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.26. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 14.75% since we initially designated Ageagle Aerial Systems as a buy candidate just 23 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.64% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are expected. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of nearly 99% over the coming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from over 54% to nearly 402%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential 36.35% change over the next year, with possible returns fluctuating between negative 91.12% and 69.66%. This corresponds to a price range from approximately 25.6 cents to $4.89 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ageagle Aerial Systems presents the headline, Volatile Ride for Ageagle Aerial Systems Incorporated stock price on Friday, moving between $2.63 and $3.48. The Ageagle Aerial Systems Incorporated stock price experienced a decline of 19.55% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, dropping from $3.58 to $2.88. Throughout that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 32.32%, reaching a low of $2.63 and a high of $3.48. Although the price has decreased on 8 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 11.63% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is a positive indicator, as volume should typically align with price movement. On the last day, trading volume fell by 161 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $13,110,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $4.88, while the lowest was $0.0635. Currently, the price is 40.98%, or $2 below the 52-week high, and 83.71%, or $14.80 below the all-time high recorded on February 10th, 2021, when the price peaked at $17.68. Ageagle Aerial Systems, traded under the ticker UAVS, recently regained compliance with the NYSE American's continued listing standards as of the 6th of November, 2024. This comes on the heels of a non-compliance notice received on the 30th of October, where the company was flagged for a lack of independent directors on its board. By addressing this issue, Ageagle has not only ensured its listing status, but also bolstered investor confidence, which can positively influence short-term stock performance. Additionally, Ageagle's recent appointment of Kevin Lodermilk to its board represents a strategic move to enhance governance and align with compliance requirements. Such appointments are crucial as they suggest a commitment to improving oversight and building investor trust. In the long term, Ageagle's efforts to establish a more robust governance framework could lead to increased institutional interest and the potential to attract more stable capital. Moreover, the company's participation in industry events like the NATO co-hosted REPMUS 2024 exercise highlights its market presence and credibility within the UAS sector, which could enhance its competitive positioning moving forward. The impact of these developments on UAVS's stock price will likely depend on the market's perception of the company's governance improvements and its ability to execute its growth strategy effectively. If Ageagle continues to deliver on these fronts, we may see sustained upward momentum in its stock. Analysts have assigned Ageagle Aerial Systems stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, analysts also indicate a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Ageagle Aerial Systems. The stock of Ageagle Aerial Systems Inc. shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $2.28 and $1.63. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. There have also been some negative signals that could impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 14th of November, in the year 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by nearly 20%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Moreover, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 25 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 23 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ageagle Aerial Systems. Ageagle Aerial Systems Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $2.87. This level may represent a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to carry very high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated 85 cents between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 32.32%. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been 30.30%. Before we dive into the potential beneficial trading levels for Ageagle Aerial Systems, let's briefly review some fundamental data that is essential to understand. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Established companies can also face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a trend of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest ongoing issues with profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 31st of March, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ageagle Aerial Systems. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ageagle Aerial Systems is at $3.58. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Ageagle Aerial Systems encounters its first support level at $2.87. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Ageagle Aerial Systems, according to various analyst sources, is categorized as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of October, 2024, Bank of America Corporation conducted an insider sale of 102,185 shares of common stock. On the 25th of October, 2024, Kevin Loudermilk executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 21st of October, 2024, Bank of America Corporation again conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 30th of September, 2024, Thomas J. Gardner made an insider purchase of 3,500 shares of common stock with a par value of $1,000. On the 30th of September, 2024, Malcolm B. Frost also completed an insider purchase of 3,500 shares of common stock with a par value of $1,000. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 79.306. In total, insiders acquired 3,452,363 shares while selling 147,482 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.71, reflecting a decrease of 5.96%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot peak identified 1 day ago. Is Ageagle Aerial Systems stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance that Ageagle Aerial Systems Inc. stock will perform well in the near term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis from a strong buy to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 18th of November, we expect Ageagle Aerial Systems to open at approximately 11.7 cents and begin trading at $3. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.